It is my pleasure to be here in my hometown this morning to officiate the closure of the National Environment Week celebration and marking the World Environment Day, which falls on the June 5th every year. This is an event that is not only celebrated here, but also in the region and throughout the world. The whole world will be talking about environment. And as you know, that there was a very strong message from the Honorable Prime Minister on Monday when he has launched the Environment Week celebration. And I hope you all have read in the media. A very special Bula Vinaka to all the school children and your teachers for your presence in numbers this morning. And I thank the Ministry of Education and all of you for your full support in being part of the Western Division National Environment Week celebration this week. On Monday, this week, our Honorable Prime Minister of Fiji has launched the Environment Day celebration in Suva, and he highlighted the fact that the Constitution clearly guarantees every person the right to a clean environment. This includes the right to have our natural world protected for the benefit of our collective present and future generation. This is the foundation that will allow us all to build our one nation, one Fiji, we are one. 42 years ago, the United Nations General Assembly declared a day for the world to celebrate the joy of living in our natural environment, celebrate the national achievements, raise awareness on environment issues, and call for action. This year's World Environment Day theme is 7 billion dreams, one planet consumed with care. This is the theme. The Ministry through the Department of Environment has localized and adapted the theme Sustainable Consumption and Production. And I believe here in the Western Division, it has been localized further to the Sustaining 3R, converting waste to arts and compost. Ladies and gentlemen, to consume with care means living and meeting our needs within our environment boundaries while not compromising the ability of our future generation to attain a decent living. I urge us all to celebrate this Environment Day by taking your individual responsibility for keeping your surrounding environment clean at all times. Government is also thankful to our many donors agencies like JICA for initiating 3R promotion. Ladies and gentlemen, I must thank all those who have contributed to this week-long celebration. My ministry is sincerely grateful for your continued support. To the private sector, media organizations, community groups, donor agencies and schools, I thank you all for your commitment. Ladies and gentlemen, before I conclude, I wish to thank the OC Bar, the district office, the DO and the PA, and of course, my ministry staff. They have gone long hours to make sure that this year's Environment Week celebration is done in all divisions. It has been organized in Northern, Western, and Central. And as I've said earlier on, that from now onwards, we are going to have a week-long celebration in all the municipalities. So with that few words, ladies and gentlemen, once again, thank you so much, Vinaka. And with these words, it gives me great pleasure now to officially close Fiji's Environment Week Celebration 2015 and also mark the World Environment Day June 5th, 2015.